The Christmas season is quickly approaching, and with all that has happened this year, this December is bound to be different. The festive season is traditionally about family, food, and of course presents. Here are 8 homemade gift ideas to help you swap time in the shops in return for a more personal touch and a chance to brush up on your lockdown DIY skills. Treats. Gingerbread fudge. This gingerbread fudge uses 6 ingredients and takes just over an hour to make. Perfect for your sweet-toothed friends and family. The second one, custom cooking salts. Make a selection of cooking salts that your foodie friends can add to their meals. Use sea salt as a base and gradually add different ground herbs and spices to make unique flavor combinations. Try additions such as dried porcini mushrooms, chili, paprika, lime zest, ginger, lavender, or rosemary. For an extra personal touch, include a recipe with each salt combination. Number 3. Ice cream. Summer celebrations and ice cream are a winning combination. Making your own ice cream isn't as daunting as it may seem with this no-churn halva ice cream recipe or this sweetened condensed milk recipe. Add in flavor favorites such as Oreos, chocolate, peppermint crisp, berry, cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves for a Christmas flavor punch. Freeze it in individual ice cream tubs. Add a layer of baking paper over the ice cream to prevent freezer burn. Stick on a custom label and deliver ASAP so it doesn't melt. Number 4. Beer or soda bread premix. Beer and bread were all the rage during lockdown. This super simple beer bread recipe is basically foolproof and will have your gifty enjoying homemade bread in just over an hour. Add the dry ingredients like flour, sugar, salt, baking powder together in a jar. Gift with a beer or can of soda water for an alcohol-free option, and the printed recipe for a nifty DIY gift. Optional, add a few tablespoons of mixed herbs to the mix for a ready spiced option. Number 5. Limoncello. Limoncello is a refreshing vodka-based lemon liqueur that is easy to make. The ingredients, organic lemons, minimum 100 proof vodka and sugar, are easy enough to find, but the liquor needs at least 2 weeks to infuse, so make it well in advance. Do you want an alcohol-free option? Try making your own herb-infused olive oil. Something else to give is trinkets. Number 6 on the list, plant starter kit. For your green-fingered friends, put together a plant starter kit filled with succulents or herbs. Choose 3 to 4 small potted plants and put them in a wooden box or crate to keep them together. If you're going with succulents, add small jars of gravel, soil, sand, and a glass vase. Geometric vases look great as a succulent terrarium starter kit. Number 7. Personalized mugs. Personalized mugs are incredibly simple to make. All you need is a white mug, a Sharpie paint permanent marker, oil-based permanent marker, and a little creativity. From custom monikers to quotes, drawings, and fun patterns, a personalized mug is a special way to show how well you know your friends and family. The idea can be used in an heat-proof porcelain-like teacups, teapots, or plates. Number 8. Framed pressed flowers. A new way to give flowers. Framed pressed flowers is a pretty artistic gift that will brighten up any wall, windowsill, or shelf. Pick a selection of fresh flowers, flatten them using heavy books, plan your composition, and stick them between 2 pieces of glass. This is also a great way to repurpose old photo frames you have lying around. Once you've got your gift idea down, think about how you will wrap it. Glass jars, boxes, and crates with a decorative bow are great for edible gifts. Brown paper with twine, ribbon, or cookie cutter stamps will finish off your homemade present perfectly. Enjoy!